All right, guys, let me talk about different types of opportunities you can do with stocks with my analysis here. HIMS, for example, is one of the most popular stocks out there as it has just been literally on a tear here. I mean, look at this. This thing has went from literally $2 all the way here at this low here, and it just went up to $73, okay? I am looking at a weekly chart, and here is how I'm looking to play HIMS, okay? There's two ways I can play this. If it goes really far up and hits this upper band, I can look to take the short and go in for some puts to the downside. And where can I look to target? Well, EMA 5 is your first target. For example, when price ever gets up here, you can get some decent 1 month out puts and try to target that fast EMA 5, or just take a nice conservative gain, because what happens is price can't be sustained up here. This is very unsustainable. The second scenario, which is my ideal scenario, is I need this to pull back. All right. When this has pulled back to this EMA 50, this is where you have these massive types of bounces. If, for example, when you're in an uptrend, price is above EMAs. If you're patient enough and you wait for your highest quality stocks to hit this EMA 50, this is where you get these monster returns. Okay. I repeat, look at the charts. When you're in a downtrend, we don't look for the EMA 50 at the above. We want to make sure this is at the bottom. All right. And these are weekly charts. So even when you're right in here, look at this massive return. If price goes from here to here, that's a 17% return. Back up, back down, another gain, another gain. But if it does this kind of pattern, then I'm like, okay, something is wrong, and it's probably looking to break through it. It's what you see right here. But if you see something like this where it hits it and then immediately jumps up, that's what you want to see. Hits it, immediately jumps up. And yeah, so I'm looking at this thing. This thing is really overextended. On the monthly chart is in an uptrend. As you can see on the monthly, we hit this upper counter channel and we rejected. On the quarterly chart, we're still in a bit massive uptrend. So I'm not looking to be a long-term bear on this. I would like to get in, but it's just it's so overextended that just to this EMA 50. What if it does this again? $73 all the way back to down to 26, back up to 63. That is extremely volatile, right? Is that milk bad? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right here. Is this weekly chart here for those massive demand zones. Ideally, what we're probably going to get is a shorting opportunity up in here. You can see it's very liquid in options. I personally would do just 1 month out and probably a put option and just one out of the money, and make a quick 20-30% gain if you can. Because, I mean, obviously, if you shorted this with puts at $73 and goes all the way to 23, you made freaking bank. And then if you went long, you made freaking bank. So, yeah, I just wanted to do a quick analysis on there is two ways to play the coin, right? We can play it up here. Me, ideally, I want to wait for this weekly EMA 50. That way, it gives me kind of more of a safer option. It's way down here. I mean, we were just on a tear recently. I mean, 45%, 27%, another 24%. And now we kind of cooled off just a little bit on the weekly. But I love the company. Long-term bullish. The chart says it all, guys. I mean, you can't bet against this. I mean, this is insane. But if you guys want to join the Discord, feel free to join in. These are kind of the strategies that I talk about. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Hit how to subscribe and hit hashtag day trade alerts if you want to join. It is $12 a month to get access to everything, day trades and swing trades. Subscribe on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. And just a very unique feature that I do is I go live every day. I share my chart in real time, ask any questions, and that's just a part of being a nice community. I do alert my day trade alerts. I specialize in credit spreads, which I would love to teach you. I do futures all the time, and then here's my swing trade alerts that I show all the time too. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of analysis. Let me guys know what you think about HIMS. I like it, but I do see some resistance here that you could probably get right up in here. Maybe we break out, maybe we go higher, touch this counter. But no doubt about it, if we touch this area, you can look to short this, okay? All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Join the Discord, $12 a month if you want to be there. Cheapest out there, mentorships and everything. Videos, education, all you need. And I'll see you in the next video.